So, yeah. So, what's your name and what are you currently working on?
So my name is Mikhail, and I'm working on a project. Basically, it's a platform which turns desktop web applications into mobile applications.
Very cool. So, how long have you been working with React?
I've been working with React for 6 months or so.
And you spoke today. What was your talk about?
So my talk was about rendering text user interfaces using React, and with help of CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, basically all technologies which developers are familiar with.
You mentioned taking desktop apps and sort of getting them on mobile. What's the biggest challenge in doing that?
Well, I think the biggest challenge is to find the spot when let me think of it. You can anyway look at. So the biggest challenge, I think, is to distinguish between the states of applications. For example, when mobile window, when model window appears in desktop, it just looks natural. But in a mobile app, you should bring in a new page, basically make a slide or do something like this. For me, I think it's the biggest challenge of mobilizing web applications.
That makes sense. We've worked on a lot of mobile apps, and getting the handling the routing and the modality is more of a challenge on a small screen, it seems. So a lot of people have talked about how in learning React, it's given them a different perspective on software development and how they go about building software. Is there anything that stands out that you've sort of had new insight on since you've started working with React?
Well, for me, React was kind of very nice too, because it was open. It was easier for me to hack and to extend, to bring new things to it. And yeah, I think in general React will grow and bring a lot of community members into it.
All right, last question. What do you see in the future of JavaScript and React over, say, the next couple of years?
ECMAScript, the next version of ECMAScript was kind of the big step since the ECMAScript 5. They just brought the all primitives which were been to all programming languages for years, and I think there will be a smooth transition into the modern ways for creating applications like async await and stuff like that. And I think React is also bringing the new paradigm, the new abstractions like declarative interfaces to build applications in general. Not only user interfaces, but maybe generating the music using React, because you can just express all these sequences of transforming the MIDI files in React tree. So I think React it's limitless and can be just infinitely extendable into any paradigm.
All right. Well, thank you very much. Thanks for sitting down for an interview.